Right, so today we're going to start cladding the oak. We can't do the front because we need to get doors in and to make sure that we're not short when we cut in the feather edge. We will leave that to last. So just to go quickly, we've done all the siliconing before we put felt. You'll see in the video. So yeah, the next is this. That's what we're going to be doing on the first board. What we're going to have to do, because we're going to have to glue the back of the board so it lips over the edge of the brickwork, because obviously bricks aren't 100% square, so in some places they stick out a little bit. But we want, as you can see what we've done, this, we want the board to press this down, the damp, so that way we're gonna have a sealed bottom, and also that groove which we're gonna create will create a drip for us, so it can't get in and up. So we need to, I have tested this on, but we need to have a bit deeper, a bit further up, because obviously the bricks, as I said, they're not perfect and they got a bit of a shape on them, so we just clear over that and that's it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now on the first ones obviously only, and we'll crack on. Just to catch up everyone, so we have finished the cladding on sides, so that's how it looks. What I have done, I've used stainless steel fixings for this, so I've pinned the bottom of the board as well because they would lift. Being oak, it's quite lively for movement, so on the top I used again stainless steel screws to fix the top edge to give it more strength, so it doesn't want to move as much. But yeah, that's where we are, and I'll catch you in a bit. So next for us is to feather edge the wall, which used to be tall hung like so, because that's the inside of the garage, so we're gonna be doing that. So on outside we got a fascia board to go on and soffit, which we have ordered, that's coming soon hopefully. We've done this side with feather edge and the back, so that's finished. And then obviously the next big thing will be getting roof tiled. We're probably gonna make a start tomorrow on that. Just set it all out for us, so when we come back it's all set up and we just can crack on with it as we're waiting for your things to arrive. So yeah, today's plan is get that done, and once we cladded that, then I will start fitting these decorative props really. Obviously if you would have open style oak frame, you would have to have them actually with mortise and tenon fitted. Because we got stud walls, we don't have to do it, but what we'll do, we will fix them in and we will put dummy dowels to make it look like it's there, like it's authentic. But yeah, that's more decorative purpose than anything else it will have. So yeah, that's where we are. So we start cladding this, and once we've done that, then we're gonna jump on them, finish them. Hopefully we'll get these done today. So the garage door is one thing we're waiting, so that's why I haven't cladded this front bit, because I rather wait till it comes and then we'll trim it up so it all fits nicely. Because yeah, I don't want to redo it because we don't know exactly how it will fit, so, and how far the cladding needs to come, so we can trim it up neatly. So that's that, and yeah, so without further ado, we'll crack on with the getting this gable end feather edged. So yeah, I'll catch up with you in a bit. So hi everyone, it's me again. So as you can see, we have finished the cladding. So next we're going to move on to the bracing. As I mentioned before, it will be more aesthetic function rather than something else. So yeah, that's the next plan. We also drill the holes onto bracing and put dowels in to make it look that it actually is doing something, but it will be more visual this time. So yeah, that's where we are, and we'll try to get as much as we can done today on this before we start obviously finishing off outside, as we still waiting for some stuff to arrive. So yeah, that's where we are now, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. So just to catch up everyone, as you can see, we've finished oak support struts, or how you call it. In our case, they're decorative only, because we've got stud walls, etc. So we done them for the looks. And also we put dowels in for the look, so it looks sort of legit. So yeah, so that's what we've done on inside. So inside is pretty much done. We also obviously finished the feather edge. So on outside we haven't done feather edge because we got to put garage door in, so I didn't want to attempt fitting it without knowing how the door exactly will fit and frame and everything else. So when that comes, we'll get them finished the front. So leaving that at a minute. Also fascia soffit is going to be in green oak, so that's been ordered, so we're going to have to finish that. But in the meantime, what I'll start doing the roof tiles. So I'm not going to be going through it again, how to set out the buttons, etc. But if you do want to see it, please, I'll leave the link in the description below, because I have showed how to do it. So that's our next task. What we will need to do is put a rafter end on here and another side. The reason being is because we need it to take out soffit and fascia, because otherwise we won't be able to finish that off. So I need to do that. So I'll cut 2 ends, rafter ends, and add on end of there. We might have to put 11mm OSB in between, like a sandwich, so it's flush with the edge, and when we get our soffit we can push it in and have it actually we could just put 4x2 and then have our soffit go against the oak instead, which we probably gonna do. Makes life easier. Otherwise it's gonna be tight to get those tiles in anyway. So yeah, so that's what we're doing next. Those couple of things to finish off, and then we are starting setting out the roof tiles. So I hope you've been enjoying it, and I catch up you in a bit.